friends, I'm coming with a new videos only for you. Enjoy with me and continue Kung Fu with us. Okay, let's start now. Salute. Chi. Stand position. This leg will go behind you and this hand block for kick. Okay, start now. Block and hit, and this leg will go back near the left leg. Okay, block, hit, block. This block will protect your face and your whole body, and block again, block, hit again, move your body, block, hit. Okay, I will show again positions. This leg will go behind you for block and this hand will block for kick. Okay, start now. Behind you and block this hand for kick. Block, hit. This leg will go back near the left leg. Okay, block, hit, and block. We have to stand in these positions for block. This block will protect your face and your whole body. Okay, and again block, block and hit. Okay, block, block and hit. Move your body, block again and hit. Okay,